What are some biology notes mind map examples? If you are looking for effective ways to take notes in biology, mind maps can be a fantastic option. They help you visualize and organize information in a way that makes studying easier. Let's look at some specific examples of biology notes mind maps that can enhance your study sessions. First up is the cell cycle mind map. This one focuses on the stages of the cell cycle, including interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. You can break each stage down into subtopics like DNA replication, cell growth, and the processes involved in cell division. This structure helps you see how everything connects. Next, we have the Plant Kingdom Diversity Mind Map. This map categorizes plants into different types, such as angiosperms and gymnosperms. It highlights their characteristics, life cycles, and differences. This makes it much easier to remember the various plant types and their unique features. Another great example is the Body Systems Mind Map. This mind map helps you understand complex systems like the circulatory, nervous, and digestive systems. Each system can be broken down into its organs, functions, and key processes. This way, you can simplify complex biological concepts and make them more manageable. Then there is the Bacterial World Mind Map. This one is useful for studying bacteria by categorizing them based on their characteristics, habitats, and roles in the ecosystem. It aids in memorization and helps you distinguish between different types of bacteria, which can often be confusing. The Circulatory System Mind Map is another essential tool. It focuses on the human circulatory system, illustrating the heart's role, blood flow, and the pathways of arteries and veins. This visual representation helps you understand how blood circulates throughout the body. Lastly, we have the Biological Classification Mind Map. This organizes organisms into hierarchical groups based on their similarities and differences. It covers domains like archaea, bacteria, and eukarya, making it easier to grasp the relationships between different life forms. Using these mind maps can significantly improve how you organize your biology notes. They make it easier to review and retain information, whether for exams or general knowledge. By visually connecting concepts, you can better understand the relationships between different biological processes and systems. So, grab some paper and start mapping out your biology notes today.